Coach Miranda Minor, ang crypto coach na inyong maaasahan. Coach Miranda Minor, sa cryptocurrency kayo'y gagabayan. Coach Miranda Minor, hangarin na lahat ay matulungan. Pagmamahal at culture of malasakit sa kanya'y mararamdaman.
Maraming salamat guys. I love you 3,000.
This is the Global Miranda Minor Group, our home of the culture of malasakit. This is the Global Miranda Minor Group, our home of the culture of malasakit.
Trading is never easy, but who says we cannot have fun? As you grow in this industry, Miranda, surround yourself with people and community that will hold you accountable, grow you as a trader. Mahirap sa una pero I'm sure darating ang panahon you're gonna be very successful. Malayo pa pero malayo ka na, Miranda. I love you 3,000. Trading is never easy.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda. Subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the one and only, the voice that introduced Pitikin Kita sa Ilong, isang hampas na lang ng palakol, the power of yet. Please, let's give it up to our pambansang crypto coach, Coach Miranda Minor.
All right. Hello mga ka-Miranda. Isa pong magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. My name is Coach Miranda Minor and welcome to another edition of our cryptocurrency technical analysis, fundamentals, exclusive interviews, and everything about crypto all in one channel. Kamusta ka naman, Miranda? Ihanda na ang mga tanong for tonight because we're gonna be giving away $20 each for 5 winners if your question will be chosen by our awesome guest for tonight. Alam mo, it's a very important topic because we're gonna be talking about decentralized exchange. And I know you've met our guest already. This is not the first time she is in our show. And due to insistent public demand, we have Catherine again, no, from AARK to be in our show for tonight. We'll introduce her later on, but for tonight, please make sure call all the Kamirandas. Tawagin po lahat ng mga Kamiranda, nasaan man sila, for a chance to also bring home, no, a lot of prizes. Natuto ka na, nagka-premyo ka pa. Kailangan bida-bida yung tanong nyo ngayon kasi hindi si coach ang mamimili. Ang mamimili ng questions na mananalo is si Catherine mismo. Alright, our topic is about, the upcoming token listing of ARK or AARK. Please visit them at aark.digital for you to be able to get to know their particular decentralized platform, which we are discussing in our show. Alright. Alright, type number 1, if you are ready, you're actually watching us in Facebook, in Twitter, and also in YouTube. Kamiranda. I already see the questions, ha. Mamaya na yung are you single? Mamaya na yan. Alright, without further ado, I would like to introduce our guests for tonight. It's none other than Catherine Lucci, the Vice President of Business Development for ARK. Hello.
Hello, everyone. Welcome, Magabi.
Say it one more time. We did not hear you.
I don't want to mess with you with my pronunciation. So, good evening, guys. Nice to meet you guys again.
Nice to meet you. Magandang gabi. Catherine, how's everything from the last time we spoke? People were all mesmerized with our topic, right? But how is it? How are you so far? How's everything with ARK for the past couple of days?
In the past couple of days, oh, you cannot imagine how busy we were. So today I'm representing my whole team. Last time we have two guys, right? So Eden, our founder, unfortunately, he is very, very busy preparing everyone the big surprises. So you only have me today. So everyone is doing two people, three people's jobs prepared for the TGE. And I'm glad it's happening because it's like the only time we have to get this prepared. It's like with counting down 6 more days, we're going to push the market, and more guys are going to know what we are doing and who we are, especially about our token. So today I'm going to cover most of that part.
All right, and just to clarify, for those that are new in cryptocurrency, TGE or Tango Golf Echo, TGE stands for Token Generation Events. These are commonly, used as an instrument to obtain publicity and engagement in crypto blockchain with of course with an aim to launch your token and of course get fundraising for your particular campaign. So definitely this is an important event in cryptocurrency. Obviously, it's going to be in the form of a public sale, private sale, or initial coin offering for the particular exchange. So just a broad definition of what TGE is all about, Miranda. If you're new to cryptocurrency, that's good Crypto 101 for you. All right. Very good, very good.
You are listening to Coach Miranda Miner in his daily crypto live.
All right, I'm already seeing the chat room exploding with questions. But we'll read questions in a few. Catherine, guys, Catherine can see your messages. Make sure it's in English, right? Because she has access to our YouTube messages already. So the questions that she will read will be in YouTube, not in Facebook or in Twitter. So please, if you can move to YouTube, that would be better if you have a chance to win $20 for the winning question, Miranda. All right. Okay, talking about TGE, let's now dive into our topic, Kat. By the way, for those that are not aware, I had an opportunity. I just want to have a quick sharing, Kat, if you don't mind, okay? I had a very good opportunity to talk with your founder, and he gave me a virtual tour of your office in South Korea. I like it because there is a bicycle inside the office. Is it Eden who does the bike going to the office? Your founder?
Oh, that bike has a long story. Because we seldomly walk around when we are doing some cardios. We don't have time for that, so all we got is all the transportation replaced by sports, like something like bike. So we even sometimes don't have to sleep, not to mention sports, right? And the bike, yes, just bring some calories down, burned out, and if you like, we can
So
give you that bike.
you use the bike going. It's just there and everyone uses it, right?
Yes, whoever who wants to use it, I can authorize you for that bike also.
So when I visit South Korea for the Korean Blockchain Week, I'll go there in your office and I'll use that bike.
Okay, that
I will use that bike.
Yeah, in Chinese, sometimes we think like making bike moving, like going forwards, makes you people get fit and getting rich.
Oh, I used to work in a company, and we were asked to give ideas, right, on the interior design of how the office will look like. So what we did is we create a meeting room, and the chairs are static; it does not move, but there is a pedal in the chair. You know what I mean? So while you're doing right, while you're doing the meeting, while you're in a meeting, your foot are pedaling or are doing its pedal, right? So it's kind of interesting because our interior designer said, we wanted you guys to have a productive meeting and at the same time do cardio. But eventually we said, okay, we tried to use it, but sometimes it gets very noisy because of the squeaky noise. And we said, you guys need to put a plastic pedal on it so it does not create so much noise. And then they change it. It's quite interesting, no? But I like that idea of doing you know, a non-conventional work where you have bicycle as well. All right.
Yes.
All right. Okay, let's move on. So let's talk about ARC, Kat. So you're the business development head there in ARC. So talk to us about what are the upcoming events? Are there any things we need to look forward to that you guys are going to give rewards, no, for our ARC participants and ARC hodlers? Please go ahead. What's exciting that's coming in the next couple of days and weeks?
Okay, so first things first, if you have listened to our last session, you must know we have token mining events. So make sure you check your eligibility before June the 10th. So everyone, even just 100 ARC makes you get something, right? So make sure you check the eligibility and see how you are allocated. For example, if you have participated in the trading mining or ALP mining or our early birds like LP season 1 and 2, possibly you will get at least 500 ARC. Yes. And for that part, if you didn't have a chance to do it, to be part of the earlier token distribution, don't worry, we still have
Okay.
ongoing events. Yes. So for the ongoing events, please just subscribe our Twitter now. Make sure everybody subscribe. I give it some time. So it's arc/digital. And then you can go to the following giveaway events. So we only have the giveaway with the best partner, the biggest partner, the most credible partners. Right now, we have OKX ready. So OKX Web3, you download the OKX Web3 wallet and try with our products to get a potential prize pool, which is amazing. It's almost like a free, effortless money to you.
So
And-
let me stop you there. So
Yeah, so-
I'm checking my ARC digital account, and I'm eligible to get 18.61 ARC claimable at TGE. Wow! Woohoo! Nice. This is awesome.
Yes.
This is awesome. Okay, let me just try to share my screen so our Mirandas can see it. This is very interesting. Okay, so just guys, if you would like to check your eligibility, I'm going to post down in our comment section the eligibility link. Please check it and connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so I just sent over the eligibility link in the comment section below. Please click on that and please connect your MetaMask Arbitrum network wallet. Okay, so click your MetaMask and click on Arbitrum as a network. All right, and I just saw, just give me a second. So I'm going to present my screen. All right, there you go. So I am showing my screen right now, and it says that I have 18.61 ARC eligible for the event, which is not bad. I don't mind. All right, okay. And so they need to go to arc.digital, okay? So during the TGE, okay. And then so talk to us about, so just by creating an account and they connect their wallet, they have an opportunity to get rewards depending on the activities that they do. For example, mining, token mining, and is it a correct Moon Festival?
Yes, Moon Festival. Moon Festival means our moon mode, which is 1000x trading. We experienced that last time.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I missed that though during the Moon Unlock, during the previous airdrop, right? Okay. So talk to us. So there is classic trading competition. You guys can get rewards there. Ongoing token mining. So when you say token mining, what does that mean?
Token mining by trading by mining ARC means token mining. So right now, if you are a good trader, I guess the best place to go to is the classic mode for you to get all the trading ARK allocation at a very fair price, which is 1.5 bips. And meanwhile, Moonwood is always open to earn more, but it's more risky.
Yeah, it's a 1000x, so I don't recommend
Yes.
doing moon mode. All right. Okay.
Yes,
So you
if you,
have
yes, it's more
and
risky, and but that's what our community wants, you know. So if you want to join the moon modes, be prepared with a small budget, and then when you get used to this platform, I suggest if you're into this very well, and you can earn ARC much more quickly than classic mode.
how
Yes.
much is each arc today?
So we actually have a lot of pre-market price, which I don't know if you guys are familiar with the CX pre-market, but
Yes.
so if you are, we are already on a part of the CX, which is gate pre-market. Today it's around $0.2,
Oh,
and
not bad, ah.
yeah,
0.2 already? Nice. And then when you guys go market, what's your price forecast for this token?
this part I cannot
I
disclose,
need to know
but
because I'm going to get more.
yeah, but I cannot disclose for not to, I don't want to disappoint you guys, but I also don't want you guys to be that exciting
You're
about the
fine, don't
price
worry.
itself, you know.
Right.
Yes, but to be honest, you can expect at least double digits growth.
Double digits. Okay, so I already have
Yes,
free
so
arcs. I'm going
I
just
will cover
okay.
that part later when I talk about the IDO. So our
Right.
IDO price is 0.3035.
Okay, so just give me a second. Let me just try to process this. Okay, so so traders can get free ARC as a token when they participate or I would say engage with your exchange, which is ARC.digital. So give me a second, Miranda, because I want to make sure that you guys get um, rewards. So I'm going to drop down my referral link. Please make sure you get in the referral link so you get rebates. Okay, you get rebates, all right, in your trades. So I'm dropping the link in the link below. All right. Okay. So you have also a potential sorry, you have a giveaway event with OKX. Talk to us about that.
Okay, so for this OKX event, is because OKX Venture is our earliest partner at the pre-seed round. So this is the very first time we have the giveaway. So it's gonna be a very big one. So the gateway is going to be at the OKX Web3 wallet. They have a web desktop version and a mobile version. So we are right now having 6 more days to go before TGE. So secure your spots. Make sure you complete all the campaign tasks by then.
Okay. So there it's going to be in the OKX Web3 wallet.
Yes, yes.
So
So
there is you're saying that there is an ARC token in the Web3 wallet? Okay, is that what you said or no?
there will be. So there are multiple featuring campaign right now. If you go to this link, so Web3 oks.com/web3/giveaway. So right now you can see we are featuring on the top 3 projects, and the total giveaway is gonna be $10K.
Okay, just give me a second. Oh yeah. Let me show that to the screen, to the audience. There you go. So I'm an OKX Web3 giveaway, and you guys are there. Yeah, here $10,000 worth of ARC giveaway. Nice. Okay, so you're there. Good. Okay, this is your get giveaway partnership. Okay, so let's now talk about airdrop opportunities even after your TGE. Is
Okay.
there an airdrop opportunity for ARC? And how can they participate on airdrop? I want to get it directly from the source. Please go ahead.
So right now, we have a very limited periods until TGE. So after the TGEs, how can we get it? It's an ongoing plan. It's not what I say for now, because if you check our tokenomics, we have a lot of allocation for community building, which is like 30%. 30% right now, we only allocated around 10%, so we have more to go. So right now, the best campaign you can choose is starting this week, around this Friday. It's called the new token mining. It's going to be similar to what we have done, but the allocation amount is different. Another one is the LTIP, the Arbitrum incentive, which they will airdrop 900K airdrops over 12 weeks.
For those that already are connected to ARK, correct?
Yes, we're already connected to ARK, of course.
Okay.
So for LTIP, you can mine AARK and ARB at the same time.
Oh,
Like,
wow. So no
yes.
need to do anything. Just connect your Arbitrum MetaMask wallet to ARK. Then you can be eligible for an airdrop. When is the airdrop?
The airdrop, it's I don't want to say it's an airdrop. It's like an incentive.
Incentive. Okay. When is it
Yeah,
going
more
to be
like an
given?
incentive because you can calculate how much you can get.
So
Actually,
when is it going to be given? I'm curious.
after TGE. So right now it's the pre-TGE event. So after TGE events, we will have all the events details.
Nice.
Yes.
Very nice. I like it. Okay. So
Yes.
let's
So
talk.
if you're
okay.
looking for ARK mining, so you can just go to the new token mining event. If you're looking for USDT, you can USDT event. Just go to the trading competition. If you are looking for something more than ARK, something like ARB token, ARB token, just join the LTIP campaign.
So just to clarify, Miranda, just to make sure you know, the token is not yet listed in the market. It's pre-market price at this point. Correct.
Yeah. Yes.
Right.
Yes. It's
Okay.
pre-market. It's pre-market is not that liquid, so
Right.
only working in a point system way.
So
like
this
market.
is so Miranda, just to clarify, what ARK is doing is they're doing trade to earn, stake to earn. So when you
Eh.
trade, you get free ARK. The ARK token has no value today, but when it gets listed, then it will have a value. And so this is the perfect time to accumulate your ARK tokens. That's exactly what we're trying to pin here. Let's talk about TGE itself. Talk to us about the plan. When is the TGE and what is the overall plan? You said you will have your own CEX listing. Give me an alpha update. Come on, you need to give me and my community. What's the alpha? Kat, let's go.
Yeah, I don't want to hide anymore. I'm too excited for this.
I'm very excited. I want to know, and this is a very exclusive live, Miranda, only for you. So we're going to know, when is your CEX listing? Talk to us about it. Go ahead.
It's going to be in the UTC time morning of June the 10th. So get prepared. We are going to list on at least the 4 CEX, not including the voluntary listing. And
For CEX. Okay, gotcha.
at least 4 CEX. So
I'm
I don't
assuming it's
know-
OKX because
I
they're
don't know-
early founder.
Yeah, I don't know who is going to voluntarily list this good token, but that must be a lucky CEX.
No, but it's a giveaway, right? Because OKX is an early investor, so I'm sure it's gonna be listed in OKX.
I cannot dive into that part before the announcement.
But Miranda, I'm sure you're already reading between the lines. It's gonna be June 10 UTC, all right? So what's gonna be? So I'm assuming they're doing ARK airdrops there, correct, with their CEX partners.
Yes. Some of the CX partners will become our marketing partners as well because they have a larger user bases. So we definitely catch that opportunity. And then meanwhile, we also have a DEX listing. So
Okay.
we will add some pool on the major Arbitrum DEXs later on. Yeah.
Okay, so
After-
Catherine,
It will simultaneously. So
Right.
no funds running and all very fair launch. Yeah.
okay, so don't forget that you're my guest in my show. Okay? And I'm going to give you my wallet later for my exclusive ARK tokens, okay? Do not forget. Thank you very much. I'm kidding. All right. Okay, let's move on. So, okay, so June 10th is gonna be on the top four, and on top of that, there's gonna be some voluntary listing when it gets picked up. Okay, so you have a launch pad with Ape Terminal, so that's good. And let's talk about the utility and the governance of ARK. What is the utility of ARK before we get too much excited on this, please? Go ahead.
So right now, if you think about that, well, what's in your mind? So trading fee, governance, new token listing, right? You can always think like that. So ARK definitely covers that part. So do not worry. If you hold in ARK, it is not useless just for use for some sorry, it's for some speculations, not like that. So we are having some solid governance and the staking rewards. At the same time, you can rebate with the ARK itself to a lower trading fee. So to be honest, right now, the ARK token is in huge demand because everybody is trading based on USDC base, and they all burns a lot of USDC, right? So after ARK, we will see how it will contribute to some frequent traders. And at the same time, the governance, right now, if you can see on ARK, we have listed a very large market cap tokens. We will open something like a governance for people to raise their hands, to tell you what you need, to tell you what you want to list in the future. Because as more and more communities is joining this project, I believe there are diverse needs in any sense. For example, some people just want an index, an option, or meme coins, right? So right now we don't have that yet because we don't know how to collect the voices. But after TGE, our governance can make it possible. So I guess that's a bigger part of what we have. Also, we will have a VE tokenomics, which is quite complex to explain because it's in pure math, but it's selling. Sorry, bless you. At the beginning of the token generation event. So by staking ARK, you can get a lot of ARKing rewards and higher trading tiers, of course. Later on.
So let me stop you there. So Kat,
Yeah.
so what you're saying is from a governance perspective, if you are a decentralized exchange, there's so many opportunities for utility, right? You have staking in your exchange, right? You have mining. There's a lot of potential use cases, especially if you are a decentralized exchange. So
Yes.
there is going to be there you have staking, so you can stake to earn more ARK, right? So you stake ARK and then you earn more ES ARK, right? You also have a multiplier point or MP point where you can receive 100% of APR for every year. So basically, they can do a lot of things and they earn tokens or ARK tokens in your exchange, right? That's exactly what you're trying to say here. Now, I
Yes.
guess.
Well,
Mhm.
yeah. So I'm trying to say like in two ways. I think you are pretty good at summarizing things. So, what about this? ARK token makes you save some money for trading, like give you a discount for
Right.
trading fees. And at the same time, it helps you to earn more, like fee sharing you mentioned, right?
Right.
So at at a fixed rate of 100% APR, that means you are going to earn like double in a year, right? So it's more like what GMX have worked in this beginning, that every user can earn 1 MP points every 1 GMX staked per year. So ARX is more generous compared to them. And so that's like two parts. If you
Okay.
want to save money, buy ARK. and then
Okay.
use it for trading and for discount. If you want to earn more, if you want to be a staker, 100% APR is definitely not bad.
Okay. Talk to us about the roadmap of ARK. So you have TGE, but of course you'll have a couple of things in the picture. You wanted to drive DeFi mass adoption, right? You wanted to drive Web 2 users to go try Web 3. Talk to us about that, about the roadmap, Kat.
Okay, so roadmap is never an easy thing because we have a lot of promise and a lot of engineering efforts to be made, right? So right now, I believe there are three major things I have in mind. One is the mass adoption from a social perspective. So right now, if you know how big is the Telegram ecosystem, you must know how big it is right now for the Coin and Blum IO. They're big news. So they have more than 10 million users. So all from the social logins. So ARK want to have that part as our market share, of course. So that's our first roadmap about all the social stuff. So we are not going to maintain only the Web3 users, but also some of the Web2 beginners to have a smooth login to our ARK platform. Just right now, you have to do a lot of stuff, a lot of steps forward. But later on, you can just write the quantities, the short or long, or the position you want to hold just in a Telegram bot, as easy as that. So that's the first part. And the second part is about our mechanism. Right now, we have 1000x trading, which is moon mode and classic mode. We don't have order book. We only have limit order. We don't have order book. We don't have vault yet, which are like the other two big things in PerpDex right now. So we are going to onboard that two functions in the second half of this year. A lot of engineering work because Vault, we want to make it as clear as possible for ordinary users, and also to make sure it's almost risk free and easy to execute, right? So I guess that part we will complete our product suite. And the last part, I think, is all about functions. Right now, perp is one of the most favorable, popular derivatives trading, right? But I don't know what other people think. But I think right now in Korea and in China, for our market analysis, option trading and meme trading is still very, very big, and right now, after some analysis about our current user base, some of the users have detected the trading habits of meme and options. So why don't we create a one-stop thing in our ARK platform, which is making everybody feel convenient at the same time, right? So onboarding two more functions at least will be in our roadmap as well. So in the future, you can just imagine you can log in through your Telegram and log in through other gateways, some like social logins, and execute some sophisticated strategies through the bots. And also you can make order book and vault by passive earnings, at the same time enjoying some new products with like options and meme at the same time. That would be amazing. I'm sure my engineering team will hit me saying so much promising in the next 6 months, but yes, that's what we are going to do, and we are going to promise they will be on board very soon. I'm not going to cover the 2025 roadmap because it's too far away, and there's...
So this is just 6 months roadmap,
Yeah,
right?
just 6 months for now, and as a very clear vision is what we want to deliver. I don't want to say something very big and something we cannot complete. So in 2025, I hope with million user base. Right now we have 25K users, right? As a million user base, by that time, we will think in a more strategic way to complete our next stream. But right now, just the what we have said. Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then I guess the last question. Okay, I think you're able to discuss it, right? The ARC next 10x takeoff. Where does the ARC? Let's finish with that thought, and then we'll go with our questions from our community. Kat.
Yeah, so that's questions is actually what we have every day be thinking of. So next ARC's first 10x take off in January when we start with 1,000 users to 10K users. You know, we have a lot of celebrations that day, but yes, it's in the past. So right now we are experiencing the 10K users to 100K users and 100K to 1 million users. We understand that crypto native users is not a big community, it's not that large at this stage. So we're going to do as much as social stuff as possible to make the retention happen. So that means we're going to acquire some Web2 users, some Web2 even gamers, like gamification way of trading, and then to make them become and educate them to become part of our sticky users. So
So we have our Filipino community. Let us know how can we participate, right? I mean, we have a lot of Kamirandas right now who would love to volunteer and become, folks that can try, right? Type number one Kamiranda if you're interested. But I mean, I'm offering my community. I'm sure some of them would love to become part of your group and maybe earn some tokens in the future, right? But go ahead, please.
yeah, so whenever there's a new features, we will test it with some budget. So definitely we welcome new users or with these new functions. Actually, what I want to point out here is no matter you are a beginner or you are an experienced traders, you will all have your way of playing around this platform, right? So I want the, for example, I want the trade as clear, simple, straightforward as possible. I want the login as straightforward as possible. I want the earnings to be as accurate as possible. That's what we can provide. So even beginners can tell people very clearly what I can do in this platform. So achieving this, I think we are ready for the next takeoff. And also at the same time, the Filipino communities, we value the Asian market a lot, and we really, really want some local experienced guys and enthusiasts like Coach Miranda to be part of the community, and which that's all about what ARC talking for. It's not for the team, not only for the investors, but it's going to be a community-driven stuff. So just try it as soon as possible to make it happen and become like the first 10% of our users.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
Nice. Woohoo! All right.
Ikaw ay nakikinig kay Coach Miranda Miner sa Daily Crypto Live.
All right. Okay, so that is that is an awesome update, and I'm very happy to hear, because I'm personally excited with this TGE, Kat. All right, so at this point in time, we're gonna be getting questions from the community. So again, as a reminder, stay respectful. Stay respectful with our questions in our community chat. Please type down your questions in the chat room for YouTube. And if your question gets chosen, we'll give you $20, right? To be given in your account. So please, and also make sure that you create an account using the referral link I gave you. I'm gonna be transferring it there. All right, so let's now go and ask our questions, mga Kamiranda. All right, Kat, you're reading the questions. Once you're done, you can start picking up the questions and I can present it in our screen today. All right, please go ahead.
Okay, so I probably send you. How can I send you? I just find out.
Yeah,
very
just tell
good
me
questions.
the name of the person, and then read the question in the chat room. I'll look for it as well.
Okay, so one is from Brands R. Brands R. What measures are in place to ensure high liquidity and low slippage for ARK? So this question is going to be the first question.
Okay, hang on a second. Let me just try to find it. You say Brent's Arc? Sorry,
Yeah,
Brent's?
Brands. Wait a minute. Yes.
There's so many questions now. Okay, hang on a
Yeah,
second.
so many questions now. Okay, let me just type it here. Brands are.
Okay, Brent's R. Okay. So if you are Brent's R, please send me a screenshot of your chat. Go ahead. I gotcha. I got it. Okay, I got it. Brent's R, a member. Go ahead.
Hey. Oh, thank you, because there's so many questions. And the next questions is where to buy from Crypto Dev X.
Okay, hang on a second. Let me just try to. Okay.
Yes, and
Okay, what's the second? No, let's answer this first before we go to the next question, Kat.
okay,
Let's answer
okay,
Brent's R
sure.
first. Go ahead.
Sure. So ARK has this very unique reflective models. So reflective market making models use these things called things to retrieve the data from the liquidity that simulates the CAX liquidity. For example, if you go to the RPERPs, I'm sure you can experience the same Binance liquidity as you can see right now. If you can have a try, I can assure you every perp you can find right now on our exchange as sufficient liquid and as on the verified exchange. So this is how we achieve a low slippage. And at the same time, you also asked me the questions about the, what did you ask? Wait a second.
Potential.
High liquidity. Yes, I think high liquidity and low slippage. At the same time, it comes from the reflective models I just mentioned.
Sorry,
Yeah.
who asked that question? I want to take down.
So I DM you, okay? Or I screenshot. It's quite messy. How can I?
Okay, so just send it to me in Telegram later. Okay, the questions
Okay,
you're
I send.
reading.
But I will keep the record of this.
Okay, the 5 questions you send me a screenshot. Okay, with the name
Oh,
of the person
screenshot.
asking.
Yeah. That's better. That's better.
Okay, all right. Okay, go ahead with your next question.
So the next question is where to buy ARK. 1 second. Okay, I just make a screenshot. The next one is where to buy ARK. Right now, you can buy ARK on Wells Market. It's a premium point system market at a very fair price. And right now it's around $0.1. And also, if you have a Gate account, you can buy it on the pre-market as well. If you want to make something like lucky draw, I suppose the IDO platform like Ape Terminal would be the best, but you have a chance to win it, not 100%, I can promise you. So the starting price will be 0.035, which is like 1/3 of what is offered on Wells Market. Yes, so that answered that question. You have 3 ways to buy it right now.
All right, that's from Crypto Dev X. All right, very good. Next question. I'm not the one choosing questions, Miranda. It's Kat ha, so don't, Okay. Go ahead.
You can choose one for me. Yeah, please. Wait. Protect the user. I think this question is very, very important. Let me take it down. I'm not the best person to answer these questions actually. So, but I really want to cover that. So the potential hacker attacks and how the protection are in place for the users. I think after TG, as more people know this platform, and more value locked in this protocol, security is definitely one of the key things. So there are two things from my side can do. One is to have constant audits, constant smart contract audits as possible when it's coming to new features and upgrades like contracts. The next thing is to have a strong community with a bounty program. So I think the most people who familiar with DEXs are already in our community. So we want to help each other, right? So I guess that's a better way to work to protect the platform in a community-driven way. So yeah, so two things, just external help from the auditors and the internal community supports. Definitely, we will reward the ones who have reports a bug.
Got it. Okay. All right. So let's go with the next question.
Okay. Oh, the question is what's the vision of ARK? I guess this question.
You want that question?
Yes,
It's
from
the
a
fourth
plant.
one. Okay. From Plant Power 81. Okay.
Yes, the vision of ARK, we mentioned that earlier when we start this session, is the define mass adoption, right? So right now, we are doing business with retail traders, about 20K, and we won't stop there. So I guess the next step, the vision, is the mass adoption means the $1 million users we are looking for right now, regardless of geographics, regardless of the trading size, right? Regardless how much you want to trade, and regardless even the asset class you want to trade. So I guess the vision you are talking about here is commonly seen in the Web3 world is about making the markets as bigger as possible and making everybody can having its own first Web3 DeFi product at Arbitrum at ARK.
All right. Sounds good. And the last question.
Oh, minimum buy pre-sale. There's no minimum buy. Yes, a quick answer. There's no minimum buying right now. You can buy just $10.
Is that the final? This is the last question that you're.
Oh, it's just a quick one. It's a yes or no.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think this one looks very important from RJ Rivera. How do ARK Digital ensure manage market stability, especially during period of volatility of unexpected market events?
Very good. Good question. I agree.
Yes. So, on-chain things sometimes making things difficult, right? Because on-chain you have a time lag sometimes, and so that makes there's like a price that makes there's a price gap. So I guess the price discovery is what I want to point out here. So ARK has our own price discovery system. So our mark price is the unique trade on ARK. So people who has the capability to do the arbitrage on chain can exploit the opportunity between ARK and other exchanges. Can be CEX or DEXs. So these arbitrage opportunities can keep the open interest getting rebalanced, and the pool will be less indirectional. So the pool will not lose money when the price is discovered by the arbitrageurs. In
So
some
do you have
sense.
an arbitrager in your company, or that's a different
Oh,
company?
that's very democratic right
Okay.
now.
Okay. I
Yes.
see your point. Okay.
Oh, yeah, so we have community members, which makes our um, ARK exchange right now, especially the classic modes, makes it OI balanced, which means we are not making it indirectional more than 3% every 30 minutes.
Got it. Got it.
Yes.
Got it.
So the pool will have seldom chance to take the loss
Okay.
from this explanation. And when the market volatile very quickly, I guess the price discovery need to be in time. And ARCs have our own on-chain oracle as well, which is having a higher TPS and higher speed of calculation the price to explain another way. So I guess since last August, we have not experienced one bad debt since then because of our own mechanism. And at the same time, if there is like tax bad debt, if there is some ARC ensures there's every trade is operated in a safety ways.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Before we obviously move on, I would just like to appreciate all of our Camirandas watching right now, asking the questions. No, to Brents R, Crypto Dev X, Damon, Plant Powered 81, RJ Rivera. You're all winners of $20 each. We'll give you instructions on how to claim it after the show. We need to validate if you're really the owner of the account. So expect for instructions. And of course, I would like to greet all the Camirandas watching, staying with us in the show. Thank you for watching, Noel. And of course, you have other people watching like Gun Potato Mist 111, Bongbong Marcos, the president of the Philippines. He's watching. Zach Kura, and everyone else. Thank you guys for all watching our show for tonight. I appreciate all of you. Okay, so there's a lot of updates, Kath, and to be honest with you, I'm very excited, no, of your upcoming events on the next 6 months. Where can they follow you? What are your social media channels? Please promote your Twitter and other social media. Please go ahead.
Yes, yes. So if you want to reach out to me, you can search my Telegram and the Twitter account at the same username, which is wait a minute, what's my username again? Let me see. Yes, Catherine Lucy. That is my Twitter account. And whenever you have some problems, you can also find me on Discord channel, and we will have a very smooth custom success team for you to resolve your problems. And at the same time, if you have questions about TGE for the next couple of days, just leave the questions below the Twitter of our official accounts. That might be a much more speedy way to have the replies, because clock is ticking, and I don't want to waste your time and when I don't see it. So our team will help you to resolve all the questions. So that's pretty much.
All right. Okay. So there's a lot of good questions here, but guys, I know our program is short, but Catherine, I hope this is not gonna be the last time you guys you can be in our show, right? You can always be here to promote all of your upcoming events, etc. All right?
Of course. So TGE is right now the biggest thing, but not the next biggest thing, right? So I can always update you with the latest, and I'm sure they'll be more and more exciting when we get bigger.
All right. Okay. On that note, can you please do me a favor, because we always ask our guests to say something before they end the guesting. Can you say for us, okay? I love you 3,000 Kamiranda. It's way of saying I love you to our fans. All right? Can you please Before you say it, just give me a second. Let me just do a quick stinger.
Ikaw ay nakikinig kay Coach Miranda Miner sa Daily Crypto
Okay, just
Live.
give me a second. One more.
Coach, bakit ang pogi mo?
All right, please go ahead. I love you 3,000 ka Miranda. Go ahead, Kat.
I love you 3,000, Coach Miranda.
Oh, wow. No, you don't say I love you to me. You say I love you ka Miranda.
Okay. Okay, so mahal kita, Coach Miranda community. It's a pleasant journey with you guys again here.
I can't talk anymore. Okay, anyways.
And and next time, please say to our team as well. I'm sure you have this chance when we meet each other at the Korea Blockchain Week.
Yeah, I love you too, Kat. I love you too, Kat. I'm sorry. I love you too, 3,000. Art. I'm speechless. I've never been a speechless guy in my show. But again, thank you guys. Again, Kat, thank you very much
Okay.
for in our show. But I hope to have you as a guest again. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. See you
Good
again.
night.
Bye bye. Oh my God. Hindi na ako. Ay, nako naman. Kaya mahal na mahal ko ang trabaho ko eh. Nako, mga ganyang mga nagpapa-I love you na guest. Nako naman. Okay, hindi naman nakikinig yon. Okay lang? Pag ako nag-live at iba na po yung background ko, alam nyo na po kung ano po ang nangyari. Wala na po ako love life. Wala na po love life si Coach. Parang magandang pang shorts yun marketing team. Nagulat ako, pinawisan ako. Teka lang, pinawisan ako. Ay, nako. Alright, manigas kayo sa inggit. Hoy, sa mga winners, makinig kayo mabuti ha. Again, sorry, I need to move on. Pero hindi ako talagang speechless ako eh. No? Alright, sa mga winners, Miranda, please, we're going to give instructions. Ipopost ko yan maya-maya sa ating Facebook page. Make sure kayo ay nag-aantabay sa aking Facebook page. Sa 5 panalo, you have RJ Rivera, Plant Powered 81, Damon, Crypto DevX, and Brents are. We're going to give you instructions on how to claim your $20, Miranda. On the spot, makiklaim nyo po yan sa inyong wallet. I'm just going to decide how are you going to receive it. Ayan. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo. What is my personal opinion habang nagsi-70,000 ulit si Bitcoin? Alam mo, I'm excited with their launch kasi mukhang hindi na very organized sila. I've seen the office, I've seen the founder, I've seen the employee, sobrang sipag nila. Hanggang ngayon nagtatrabaho sila. Yung ethics kasi ng South Koreans, of course, there's always gonna be risks, Miranda. Pero nakita ko yung sipag ng trabaho ng group na to. So, I think walang mawawala kasi technically you're earning free tokens lang naman. Habang nagtitrade ka, pera mo pa din yun. Connect mo lang naman yung AARK, yung MetaMask wallet mo sa exchange nila. So I think walang mawawala You're earning pa. So kung ako sa inyo, please maggawa na kayo ng account pero click nyo lang from my link, Click from, tapos mag-deposit kayo ng konting amount of Arbitrum or USDT in your MetaMask wallet, then yun, meron na kayong chance. Iwan nyo lang doon kasi pag nakapag-communicate na kayo sa AARK, then kasama na kayo sa mga potential airdrops nila, kailangan i-connect nyo lang yung MetaMask Arbitrum wallet ninyo. MetaMask wallet, then go to your Arbitrum network. Okay, ganun lang kabilis yun. No, kahit $50 ang laman yan, iwan nyo lang doon. Tapos, kumbaga, kukonek mo lang naman. Pag na-disconnect mo na yung wallet, di ba? At hindi ka naman nakapag-deposit, then nasa wallet mo pa din yung funds mo. No? So kung ako lang, in my own perspective ka, Miranda, interested ako. Tsaka, meron silang listing, no? This coming, teka, laksan ko lang yung aking boses. Meron silang upcoming listing this June 10. So, ahead na tayo, no? Ahead na tayo, so we can definitely be ahead of the information. So ang token name is AARK or ARK, no? So kung ako sa inyo, at 1% of your capital walang mawawala, no? So 1% of your capital, then please, go ahead, antabayan na natin prior the listing. Or of course, alam niyo naman, anytime it's listed, may mga opportunity mag-retrace yan, so just be mindful with that. Okay? All right. Okay, sa mga naiinggit na dyan, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. At sa mga inggit na. Hindi, talagang nagulat ako dun. Sabi ko, I love you 3,000 ka Miranda. Ang sinabi ba naman, I love you 3,000 Coach Miranda. Nako naman.
Thanks, Coach Miranda Minor.
Pag talaga naman ka Miranda.
Coach, bakit ang pogi mo?
Ayun na nga, yung mga guest ko talaga. Nako, sabi ba naman sa akin, I love you 3,000 Coach Miranda. Nako naman.
Coach, masarap ka daw ba?
Ayun na nga. Ano
Coach, masarap ka daw ba?
Ano ba talaga ang tamang sagot dyan? Ako naman, Miranda, huwag mo akong pahirapan, please. Ako'y mawawalan ako ng live. Ha? Naku naman talaga, pag nagganyan kayo ng ganyan mga guests ko naman, ako'y wala na po akong background. Ako po ay nasa garahe na bukas.
Coach, masarap ka daw ba? Coach, masarap ka daw ba?
Naku, talagang gagawin ko ng shorts yan at gagawin ko talagang Nako naman, kawawa ako bukas. Hindi mo nanonood dyan, okay lang. Yung mga ganito mga guests ko, pinatutulog ko na yun. Kailangan may diskarte kayo. Ha? Kailangan, tulog na yun. Maagang papasok yung tomorrow. Ha? Tulog na, wala na nanonood sa akin ngayon. Tayo na lang nag-uusap dito. Pag ganyan ng kaganda, mahirap na. Naku, mahirap na talaga.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
Oo. Alright, si Trapezoid, napakaganda ng tanong mo. May nanalo na ba sa ARK Impactful Question? Meron na po. Mukhang kaka-join lang nito ni Kuya. Alright. Salamat ka Miranda. I love you 3,000. Congratulations sa mga panalo, sa 5 panalo of the prize for tonight. And of course, don't forget to click on like, subscribe in our channel. And of course, maraming salamat ARK for being an awesome guest in our show. Maraming pong salamat. I love you 3,000 at shalom. Salamat po sa inyo dahil tinapos yung ating content for today. Kung kayo po ay merong natutunan at tingin nyo ang inyong mga kapamilya, kamag-anak, kapuso, kapatid ay makikinabang sa ating content, please don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and of course, i-follow nyo na rin kami sa aming mga social media channels mga Kamiranda. Ito po ay makakatulong para we can further disseminate our content to the larger population. Muli, maraming salamat po. Shalom at I love you 3,000.